My video tutorial will provide you with instructions that will help you to get rid of the adware called OpticalSkill. This OpticalSkill is the adware type application that attacks the majority of Mac computers today, and this adware, by the way, is from the adload family. As adware, it displays the tremendous portion of pretty intrusive advertisements not related to the sites that you visit. So, if this OpticalSkill was some way or another installed into your computer, you need to get rid of it. So right click on this adware and select the option to move it to the trash. In case you find anything else that is suspicious, get rid of it too. I also recommend you to research your computer with Combo Cleaner antivirus. It can be found on the page combocleaner.com. So select your preferred operating system, download the software, and start investigating your computer with its help. After you successfully download and install Combo Cleaner, this is the way it looks like. By the way, Combo Cleaner is available both for Mac and for Windows computers. Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode. So click on Start Combo Scan button. First of all, the program should update its anti-malware database for proper detection and removal of any malware. Even in the trial mode, there are certain free features. They are disk cleaner, big files, and duplicates. Even these three free features will help you to essentially improve the performance and the general speed of your computer. Combo Cleaner is powerful enough to detect and delete threats like adware, browser hijackers, ransomware, all sorts of unwanted pop-ups, browser redirections, online scam, and other threats. At the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of all the threats which were found. You will be able to know their locations, but I recommend that you consider upgrading to Premium as the best solution to keep your computer free of any other threats.